Hear all that? Sounds like rain. Came over here to take a video of it. Not rain. I know it's not raining, look. Bottles are dry. Bottles are non-disturbed. Part of the simulation. Someone left the soundtrack on. It's the ice melting off the trees. It sounds like a heavy, steady rain because you can hear it just pouring out of that tree. But yeah, in the house, it sounds like it is raining like a banshee. Tater. Come on, Pepper. Let's go have breakfast. Pepper, now. Come on, Tater. Oh, I'm at the front door. I don't know what you're talking about. Pepper's like, man, I'm at the front door. I'm not about the breakfast. High school to pay about breakfast food. Okay. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning, my pups. Yeah. My grand dog and my senior partner here, Professor Scooter. Senior partner. I like that. You're a good dog. What is that? That's a stick. All right. We're going to say good morning to y'all. The time is almost up. We've spent 3 minutes out in the non-existent rain. The simulation. We'll talk about that next time. It's ridiculousness.